Welcome back to episode 3. Today we're opening Tekno The Robot Puppy, as you can see. This was from year 2000. That means it's 20 years old. Hope you had a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And this was made by Manley Toy Quest. Let's get started.
Here's the box. www.teknorobot.com.
It does not exist anymore.
Look, it says batteries are included.
But they're probably gonna be too old. Let's see. No, it doesn't work.
Ready to start opening?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Let's turn it around just this way a little bit. Can everyone see? Here we go. Pull these out. Oh, what's that? Oh, dog bone. Screwdriver. And a little bit of directions here. That part. See unattached from the. Aw, he's cute. Pull that out. Okay. So just pop up. Oh. Oh, that's why there's a screwdriver. It looks like you gotta unscrew that. Batteries are still dead. You want to read these? How to do a trick?
No.
Read the one about the howling. There was something about howling I read on the box. You could teach it to howl when it can't see.
Yeah.
Open it up and look for it. Oh, look at those old batteries. Good thing they're not leaking. Years old and they're not leaking. I'm just shocked. They don't make batteries like they used to. Alright, you want to do the honors? Turn them on. Aw, look at that tail. Aw. He's so cute. Alright.
Now this is
The mode button
shows this
and head sensor for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. And you hear 4 beeps. Then press the head to confirm it. Now cover his eyes. Oh, he's howling! Press. You want him to. Let's get him to fetch. Press and hold the neck sensor for 3 seconds.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, what's his name? Come get it!
Tekno.
Okay. Oh, he fetched his bone! How do you know it was there? Let's try it this way. Wait. Does he turn?
Oh no.
Ah! Oh, he stops. Okay, let's get it again.
So, can you make him sit?
This is super cute. We'll have to figure these card games out. Face towards Tekno's eyes. See the cards? Let's see.
Oh, what is that doing to him?
Oh.
Okay.
I don't see anything in here. Oh, there's a card trick.
What?
Okay, so this says press and hold the mode button.
What is that doing?
Press and hold mode button and nose sensor for 3 seconds. You'll hear 4 beeps and a thanks from Tekno.
1, 2.
No, this is. Oh, is that this nose? The nose and mode. Okay, hold this up. Hold this up.
What did that do?
Press the mouth sensor, and Tekno will start to play a musical tone. Press the nose sensor, and you'll hear a beep. Okay. You're ready to start the trick. Ask a member of the audience to choose any card. Ashton, choose a card. Just point to one. Okay. Let Shirley. Oh, because it says the Shirley name. Okay, put our finger on the card. Press Tekno's head sensor to start. Tekno will howl to make a yapping sound, and his right or left eye will light up. Left eye.
It's lighting up.
Okay. Okay. Okay, so move one card right. That! That's funny. I think you're supposed to start here and then you move every time his left eye had moved. I don't know. So he's cute. You like him?
Yes.
Do you think our animals will like him?
Maybe.
Maybe. I think they will. Well, that's it from us. There's Tekno, the cute doggy.
Music.
Meet us back again for our next episode.
Music.
And we're going to open these next. Guess how old these are? 2002. Bye.
Bye.